Hey guys, it's Corey with Guarantee. I'm here to show you the Bighorn Heartland 3995FK. Let's go over to the side. First thing here, we got a storage pass-through. It's very big. You got the slam locks, and these ones are the metal ones, not the plastic ones. So you can just slam it and it does that, and you don't have to mess with these as often. You got a ladder on the back, you got a hitch down below. So this one has the solid step, and it's got 4 steps, which is real nice because your first step isn't a stretch. So welcome inside to my favorite unit out of all of them. So this thing has got really tall ceilings and they just go up and up. I look really small in this room. Your entertainment stand is really beautifully done. Great utilization of a compact space. Your TV, that's massive. It's 4K. This is also a real living room, which you don't see in some of these where they have like a sideways TV, but this is like a real square room. You have a fan above. So this one's unique in that it has a front kitchen. And what's really nice about it is you get the window here and you can see out front. You got storage everywhere. Everywhere you look is storage, storage, storage. Even in this little weird corner, they figured out how to make you enough room to put something there. You got 3 burners right here. You got your cooktop. More storage everywhere, storage. Got a microwave right here. Got a little space to put little things. See, like they could have just made this not even a space to put anything, but they gave you that little sliver of space. You have like a real fridge. Like it's not like an RV, you know, built-in looking. Like this is like a real residential experience. And it looks beautiful, and it's like bigger than mine at home. You also got a beautiful sink behind you too, I just noticed that. And those covers for it maximizes your counter space. And there's a bar right here, so you can hang out and look over to your living room and see your TV while you're in the morning drinking coffee. You got sockets everywhere. You even got 2 USBs right here as well. Little storage spot right there. Heck, you could put your Keurig right here. Coffee mugs right there. Got a side rail right here to hold on. You do not get the feeling of claustrophobia in this unit. There's your bathroom. That's gonna be like the tallest ceilings you'll ever see in a bathroom like that. So if you're a tall guy, this is your unit right here. If you were as tall as this ceiling, which no human is, they even bowed that skylight too, so you get a sense of higher dimension when you're inside. And then this is like a real bedroom, and it's not like just some place to sleep. Like this is a real room. It's very big, it's very spacious, huge, full walk around bed. That's a massive bed. And you got storage everywhere. That goes so deep. And you got 2 of them. And you just got storage everywhere. So you're not gonna have an issue at all putting clothes in and being 2 people inside of this thing. This would be a great live-in unit. And you got a TV right here. And it does kind of pull out and swivel too if you want it closer. And don't forget all the storage spots right above the bed too for all the things that you may want to put there. So anyway, if you have any questions, you can call me, Corey, at 541-735-1535. Thank you.